Okay guys, this is how I had a 1 to 2.96 today, trading the Nasdaq. And yeah, let me just show you my thought process. It's just going to be a trade recap, it's going to be calm. I do have a running position on silver. I'm just looking to flip I'm just doing a challenge, flipping $100 to $10,000. I'm just going to be swing trading, taking advantage of the markets, see what I have to do. This is not, it's just educational. It's not good risk management, it's not going to be good. It's just going to be me trying to flip $100 and see how far I can take it. But yeah, basically, first we had daily highs. Let me start from the beginning. We had so many highs taken out. We had those highs, and those highs taken out. And to me, that was my sign, like, okay, we've taken out so much liquidity in the markets, we've taken out so much highs, so many orders in the markets. Like, it might be time to switch the trend a little bit. We didn't even switch the trend much. We're still respecting overall trend, but I was looking for a tiny reversal because I'm just trading from an hour to 2 hours. And yeah, we also took out daily highs. We took out those daily highs. So to me, that was a not a clear indication that we're gonna retrace, but it was good enough to know because we also got a bearish SMT high, higher high on Nasdaq, and then a high, lower high on S&P. And after that, I was on the hourly. My confirmation that we switched up the order flow was this inverse fair value gap, this fair value gap getting invalidated. And yeah, into market open, we had market opens right here. This market open, we just come to the downside. We sweep those hourly. Where are they? We sweep those hourly high, hourly lows right here. We don't really give much of a reaction. So to me, that's even more, confirmation that we're just gonna continue lower because of everything that's happened already. And honestly, I was just looking to trade a continuation. I wasn't looking for because we didn't have any 15-minute highs. Into market open, we didn't have any 15-minute highs. They were just too far away. This is like the closest 15-minute high. We did have 5-minute high right here, and that just didn't look like it was gonna happen. So I just entered off of a continuation, which was this first fair value gap right here. And yeah, we come down, we sweep these hourly highs, these hourly lows, and we come back into this 1-minute fair value gap, and we just we show set orders out of that. So to me, that was good enough. Took the trade, stops above this 5-minute high. Was it a 5-minute high? I don't think it was. No, it was just a 1-minute high. It was just the most recent high. I wasn't willing to put it here. I thought that was just too risky. Yes, it would have given me the most crazy risk to reward, but it's just too risky for me. I should have. I think my only mistake in this, I was just not focused enough. I should have put my stop loss at this 5-minute fair value gap. Could have given me a better risk to reward, but it's fine. Anyways, I was targeting hourly lows or any high time frame lows. They were just too far. The next hourly lows, I said hoes. Anyways, the next hourly lows, they're just too low. So I wasn't really targeting that. So I just targeted equilibrium price range of the whole area. So it was exactly this green line as you guys can see. I was targeting that, and there was news lined up at 10, so I didn't really want to stay in the trade for too long. But as you guys can see, I closed the trade very late, almost at 11 a.m. Eastern time. But yeah, this is the trade that happened. News was at 10. Trump was gonna have a meeting, whatever, UK-US trade deal. So I knew and he was hyping that up on his social media, Truth Social, whatever. He was saying that it's just going to be very beneficial, and he was just hyping up the whole thing. So to me, I was just what's it called? I wanted to avoid trading within his speech or whatever is going to happen in that press conference. So at around, I don't know what time, I just left my PC, and then I went to watch the news and track the trade in the same time. It turns out he just delayed his meeting to like 10:50, and then he stated the benefits of the UK trade deal and what's changed and how they're gonna make money, whatever. And I knew the moment he mentions that, it's just gonna be very good for them. It's just gonna pump the market. So I just tried to get out of that trade as soon as possible with the most, you know, profit. And I exited right here, not at this black, around right here. And on this candle, I exited. I got a decent risk to reward. And one of the other reasons, apart from the news, that made me um, leave the trade was that we had this hourly fair value gap, and we just looked to be respecting it. And I didn't wanna. At this point in time, everything that was going on was going against my trade, going against the bearish bias. So I just decided, let me take out the trade. We had Trump is gonna start listing the benefits of his what's it called, his policies, or the UK-US trade deal, and the hourly fair value was being respected. So I just took out the trade, and it was getting really late. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Would have been nice to trade to the upside, maybe take the gamble and trade what he's gonna say, but it's just not the type of way I trade. Yes, maybe I'll do it for the challenge, for the $100 challenge, but yeah, this is the legit trade I took today, and yeah, it was a simple trade, not too bad. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's check on silver. What's going on? Because I'm just doing a challenge like FX Alex G. He flipped $100 to $1 million. I'm just trying to flip $100 to $10,000. Simple. Not looking too good. Yes, we've more than doubled the account, but yeah. Anyways, watch the series. It's gonna be such a nice series, and I'll show you guys it's possible to flip your money. You don't really need prop firms. Yes, it goes against every rule in the book, but I'm just gonna show you guys how it's done.